moving up. Oh, my bad, my bad.
Tell these guys,
What?
I just got a trip. No, no. No.
Hit! Go. Kyle, we're going.
On your back.
Good, got you, got you, got you. Oh, Steph, watch out. Oh, ball sagging. Go, let's go, let's go. Let's move, 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 move.
You grab that, keep your head low.
Kyle, you ready?
Hang on. I have people in play up here. Wait, what are we looking at? What are we looking at?
Yeah.
Hold on,
Did you follow us?
Go there.
Ready, Kyle?
This is fun.
Oh.
Back up this fun. Brandon, let's bring our guns back and come in your pistols.
All right. JJ, let's go. JJ, hold that down. Go, go, go. Go behind you.
Oh, shit!
All right. Wait, do we have the flag?
All right, bro.
Oh, we got the flag.
Huh?
Let's go.
You got it?
Yeah. Hold on. Suicide? Yeah, let's go for it.
Do it, fucker. No, loop around that way.
I'll follow you guys.
No, don't look, go straight in. Let's go. Bang, bang.
Run it!
Greg! Hit! No, we gotta defend it. No one's in there. Argonaut! Alright, we're gonna go to suicide. Go cover.
Back trigger finger.
21.
Dude, what the hell?
We have the alley, Brandon.
No, you gotta defend it. Let's go. That way. Argonaut, we're going to your left. Bang! Oh, so POW. No, we gotta take it. We need it.
Well, they're all there.
I know.
One kid hits them all.
You gotta go POW.
What?
You gotta make it to POW. Let's go through the spawn.
On it. Run and gun, motherfucker. Guy there?
Yep.
Move, watch out, I got it.
No.
I thought I did. Where are they? Right there. Move up, move up.
Hey! Oh, shit.
Both walk back? Banger roll, right? Yeah.
Sorry.
Both walk back, man?